Welcome again. Hi, I am Anuj. Welcome to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. If you are visiting first time to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe over here and keep your bell notification button on so as not to miss out any of the new upload on how to grow. These are our ginger seeds. If you remember that we have kept it for the storage couple of months back into these wood chips. Now we are into the month of May and it is time for sowing these ginger rhizomes. But before sowing, we need to start the sprouting into the rhizomes. For that, we will do the pre-germination process ginger rhizomes. We do this with a simple process. What we'll do, we'll spray a plentiful of water on the bed, which will wet the wood chips and the rhizome and create the moisture into the total bed. Then we need to cover it with the pre-wetted jute bags. See, we have these jute bags already wetted and we are covering this bed with the jute bags so that it will maintain the moisture inside the whole bed and the germination of the ginger starts immediately. We will keep it for the 6 or 7 days and we need to ensure while keeping this that moisture to be maintained every time by sprinkling the water on the jute bag. After the 6 or 7 days the germination will start and we'll update you on that in the later part of the video. These are our ginger seed which we have kept for storage and we have started that pre-germination process 10 days back. We are keeping this moist with the water and covering with the jute bag. Now we'll see what has happened to this. Now you can see that one of the sprout is there. Now we'll see, we'll remove and few, okay. Now you can see this. Now this has started sprouting. This is the sprout coming out. So at this stage, you can see one more, and you can see this is the sprout, and here is a small white portion which is going to sprout. So we need to now separate this seed for sowing. We'll show you how to plant it into field or how to prepare for the nursery. But before that, we need to treat this seed. So we'll also show you how to treat the seed in the upcoming part of the video. So our pre-germination process has completed and now we need to start the activity for the sowing it. It is 1 week past after we have started the pre-germination process into the ginger. Now it is a time that we'll start the process of cutting for planting the ginger into the pro tray. So these are our ginger. We are taking ginger out from the storage. You can see this. We remove the roots and we'll cut it such that at least one sprouting eye to be remain on the each ginger rhizome. So this is how we need to cut. If something is big and you have 2 sprouting eyes, we'll split it into 2 and we'll collect all these minimum single eye nodes rhizomes for the sowing. So you can see again, this is the way we will cut this. So we need to cut them carefully and we need to ensure that this sprouting eye should be there on the ginger. Now our ginger rhizomes are cut and ready. Now we'll start a treatment for it. So we'll take this rhizome into the one of bucket and then add the organic solution prepared from cow dung which is already mentioned into the other of the video. We'll add some solution to this. We'll coat seeds gently and ensure that each seed get uniform coated. So you need to do it very gently so the sprouts coming out of ginger should not break. At the same time, all the ginger rhizomes should coat evenly. So now we can see that our rhizomes are coated. Now we will put it for drying under shade. So this way we need to treat the seeds. We'll keep 4-5 hours minimum for drying and then use it for sowing into the either into pro tray or into the field. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now we will see how to plant our ginger into the pro tray. We have already produced a ginger seed. We have given a treatment that we have seen in the previous part of the video. Now our seeds are dried enough to plant. Now we have already prepared a pro tray with the good potting mix. So what we'll do, we'll take a pro tray with a potting mix. If you want to know to prepare potting mix, I have prepared a separate video in it. So go to that video and see how to prepare that potting mix. Now we will take this ginger seed. These are the eyes which are going to sprout. This is the eye. So what we'll do, we'll make the cavity equivalent to the ginger rhizome. We'll put the ginger rhizome at the midway and cover it with the potting mix like this. Now what we need to take care is, now these are the ginger seeds. Ginger sprouts always from the sides, these sides. So we should put the ginger in this position, not in this or not in this. So this will facilitate the sprouting coming out and raising upward. So we always should plant the ginger in the lying position, horizontal position. So this way we'll finish all the sowing. See, this is a big sprout. So we are sowing in this direction. It will come out. Once we sow it, we need to cover it with the same potting mix. So this is how our ginger plantation into pro tray is done. Once we complete the plantation, then we need to water it and cover it up to the sprouting. We'll show you in the later part of video. Now our ginger and turmeric seeds are sown into the pro tray. Now we need to give the water immediately. We'll give the water, and once we give the water thoroughly, then we'll cover it with some plastic cloth or the jute bags so as to maintain the moisture and facilitate the faster germination process. So we need to ensure that the direct sunlight should not get on the new sprouting while it is germinating. Now we will cover this with the help of a plastic net. So we have this plastic shade net. So we are covering this with the plastic shade net. So we have to keep it covered till it germinates, start germination. And we'll keep on giving water regularly.